How to cancel an order on Shein and get refund. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your Shein application and after that open up the Me section. Over here under the section of orders, you can find different options like unpaid, processing, shipped. Here you can find different orders according to the option. Like if your order has been shipped, then you can find that particular order in the shipped section. And this way you can simply open up that particular option and cancel your order. But not every order is eligible for the refunds. In order to get the refunds, make sure that you check out the terms and conditions associated with that particular product. And after that, if your product lies in that particular category of refund, only then you would be able to get the refunds. Simply cancel the order and after that you can choose the method of getting the refund, whether in your wallet or in your Shein account or in your bank account. And this is how you would be able to get the refunds after canceling your order. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.